Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you the best ways to make money in Crypto Miner Tycoon in 2025. So in order to make money in Crypto Miner Tycoon, you will need to build an efficient mining setup while managing the expenses wisely. So you can start by purchasing a budget-friendly mining rigs to generate steady income. So as your earning grows, you can reinvest it in high-performance GPUs and ACIS miners in order to boost your mining speed. Now, keeping your energy costs low is also very crucial. So you can upgrade to the energy efficient mining rigs, and you can consider setting it up into your new farm in a low cost electricity zone within the game. Also, regularly check in the in-game crypto market trends. Sell your mined coins when prices are high to maximize your profit. Now, expanding your mining operation is also another key to making money. So invest in better cooling system, storage, and upgraded mining farms to increase your capacity. There are some versions of the game that allows you to staking or investing in the altcoins, which can be a great way to generate passive income. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. See you in the next one.